Can I?
You want to do it? Yeah.
Yeah.
It just makes a loud noise. All right, so after I literally took a champagne shower, thank you very much, we're getting our sip on because it's summer and we have those warm, long, just gorgeous nights. And I also have my personal bartender here, Eric.
Hello.
And he is going to be showing us a delicious summer cocktail for you all.
This is a good one. Hi.
Hi.
Let's get started. So yeah, this is a sparkling blood orange cocktail. Has gin, sparkling wine or Prosecco, and lots of fruit, which is perfect for summer.
You're a sparkling man, you know that?
Thank you. Thank you.
Look at you glow.
Okay. So, with any cocktail, it starts with what?
A beautiful
Alcohol?
rim.
Ah, we're not there yet. Yes, a beautiful rim. So we do fun rims. I mean, you can put sugar, salt, anything you want on this rim. But for this rim, we're gonna do salt and a little bit of cayenne pepper. So you put a little cayenne, like that, bang, bang, bang.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
And usually you want the glass a little wet. Is this rim wet? It's wet.
I think I wet it, but it's probably
okay.
It's probably showered with champagne.
Yes. You will put water on the rim and then just go like this. Boom, boom, boom. Like that. And then you have a delicious, if it's wet enough, a delicious rim. So that's sort of step one for
Sweet.
your cocktail. And then we have the alcohol.
Spicy.
Yes. So we love gin. I know you love gin. You weren't a gin drinker before me. Now you are. I'm not a vodka person, but you don't like gin? You can use vodka. Anything else you like. You don't drink alcohol? Use water or sparkling soda.
So,
whatever.
Do you find it slightly concerning that we've drank almost this entire jug of gin?
No, we've made so many sample cocktails. We actually don't drink it. So you're gonna put 1 ounce.
Drink it.
Yeah. You're gonna put 1 ounce and 1 shot of gin in here.
Don't spill it.
Just like that. Oh shoot. You're gonna want to pour it in your shaker, not your glass. And from there.
Are you a little nervous?
No. I am not the one that goes on video, so I'm usually behind the camera. So you have your gin or your vodka in your shaker or even in your glass, and then you do your fruit. So, okay, so we have the alcohol. Now we're going to the fruit. So these
fruits?
The juicy fruits. So these look like oranges from the back, but from the front, they look like oranges gone bad, if you can see. But these are actually blood oranges. I love blood oranges. You like blood oranges. Use them a lot. They're a little less acidic, super sweet still. So we're going to squeeze all of these oranges into our cup directly.
You're very white.
Yeah, this is not good. Why didn't you tell me to change? So it's about 3 blood oranges you're going to want to squeeze into your shaker.
Let's start squeezing.
Okay. Our blood oranges are in. And now, Grace, quiz time. What is this?
Meyer lemon.
Okay, it looks like a regular lemon, but it's a Meyer lemon, which is like a cross between an orange and a lemon.
Orange and a lemon.
It's less acidic. It's more gentle of a lemon. It's not so tart. So this goes really well with the cocktail. So we're going to squeeze that in as well. Yes.
I realize that we really need a juicer.
That'd be a good idea. Yeah. So, reminder, we have our gin, our juicy fruits, blood orange and Meyer lemon.
Is there ice in there too?
There's ice in here.
Okay.
Thank you. And if you want a sweeter cocktail, we like them a little more, a little less sweet. You could add in agave nectar, which is tasteless, or simple syrup with some sugar and water, or honey. But we like it not as sweet. So we're gonna shake this thing up and pour it into our glass.
Woo-hoo! Shaky bakey.
Okay, so now we're gonna strain this. If you don't have it, just use 2 cups right into our glass. Look at how beautiful.
Ooh, wow.
That
Look
looks.
at the color.
Look at this.
Oh my gosh.
Now, we're not done. So you can see the blood orange and the Meyer lemon and the gin all combined to make like a nice pink color. We have some beautiful Prosecco. Please open that up. Pop it.
I'm very afraid of this. After our disaster.
And just top us off with some sparkling Prosecco. It's
And
gonna
look
add
at
a
the
little bit of
foam.
bubbles, some fizz. And
It's
there
a
you go.
party.
Blood orange, sparkling,
Wow.
summer cocktail with gin or vodka, whatever you prefer. Cheers.
Ladies
Go ahead.
first.
Yes, of course.
We're sharing because we're filming tonight, so that would be a disaster.
Cheers.
Mm.
It's okay.
Oh, that is so good. It's nice and tart. It has that citrusy note, but it's not overwhelming like you would get with like lemon or regular orange. And I love
So
the
good.
sparkling, but it's not like super bubbly. Oh, and the rim,
It's delicious. Can I say it?
you have to say it.
Check this out on tastefullygrace.com. You won't regret it. Orange is in, and